Oh my God, yo. Anyway, this is the mess that we got going on. But my husband is assembling the bed. How are you doing that? Too late, you already in it. What for me? The volume is on mute. Bear with me, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Getting everything in order. My videos are bad, but they're gonna get better, trust me. Everyone starts from somewhere, right? You know, like I've always been an avid person of it has to be super perfect in order for me to do it. It has to be right. Well, I'm just jumping into the YouTube world, guys, and I'm gonna bring you guys along my journey of redecorating my home. What do you guys think about the color choice of the bed? Very simple. And then my husband is a contractor, so if I always want to change out the color later, I can. You know, if I want to paint it white or gray or spray paint them silver and, you know, really make this room super girly, I could. What are you doing now, babe? So he's adjusting all of the screws. He's getting all of the screws together. Mind my videography, guys. I'm gonna get better, I promise. The screws together. And yeah, you know, the outcome is going to be really beautiful. I have to go to IKEA this weekend. We have a huge snowstorm getting ready to hit our area. You know, we're in New Jersey. We're in the northern part of New Jersey. My hubby strong. You strong. Big strong man. Ooh, that look pretty. Ooh, look at it. That's the headboard, guys. We're gonna put it this way, babe. No, this way, or you gonna put everything together first? Don't mind the mess, guys. This is the footboard. And now he's getting ready to assemble the side railings for the footboard. Video quality will get better. Kayla, come here. No, right now, please. headboard looks really nice. Twin size. And guys, I'm gonna vlog when I go to IKEA to get like my daughter's desk and my vanity for my bedroom. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on that trip with me. I heard about the Alex drawers and like the liniment top. So, you know, I've been doing a lot of online browsing and online research before I spend my coins. And this video wasn't sponsored, by the way, guys. I spent my personal coins on this bed from Ashley Furniture Home Store. I love Ashley Furniture Home Store, guys. Like they have really great, I'm still in my uniform. They have really great selection for furnitures. Like my husband's and I's bed that I plan on getting from there is so gorgeous. Matter of fact, it's a young lady that I follow on YouTube here, you know, on YouTube land. She inspired me because the way her bedroom was set up, the bed was just so gorgeous. And you know, I'm a girl that likes neutrals. I prefer neutrals and stuff like that. Don't mind my apartment, guys. Like we literally just moved in. We're just getting everything together. My husband works a lot. I work a lot. I'm full-time. My husband is full-time. So when we like rarely have a day when we're both home early, I get him to do stuff like this. Is it a struggle, guys, to get your husbands or boyfriends or significant others or life partners to like get your home in order? I feel like I gotta chase this man down to do stuff for me. Like, he make everybody else home beautiful, but my home got to look a mess. No ma'am, no ham, no turk. What I say, baby? No ma'am, no ham, no turk. So he's just getting everything screwed together. And comment below, guys, like what do you guys think the color schemes should be? Like I said, I'm very neutral. I was personally thinking of maybe painting the bedroom walls, because right now it's like this icky like tan color, off-white tan color. I was thinking about maybe doing like Tiffany blues on the walls. And then the bed is a dark brown, like a reddish brown. And then maybe blues, silvers, and whites. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think the color for little baby's room should be.
Can you paint
my 7-year-old?
My coloring wall, because I want to.
I'm gonna paint like one wall of her room with the chalk paint, so she can be able to practice her math and stuff, because she's in the 1st grade. How you like 1st grade so far?
I always want to do math and science and social studies.
She's a geek. She likes school.
And I always go to centers.
Yeah, she like computer centers and stuff?
No, in my class.
In your class. Okay,
yes,
baby. That's my 7-year-old. She's a very spicy girl. You know, I just had to throw some stuff up on the window when we moved in, you know, because I didn't want people to be seeing in. Like, I'm going to be doing a whole overhaul. To get a little personal, I recently lost my mom. It's been almost a year, so like the transition of losing her and just trying to get everything back together has been super difficult. So I'm just trying to get fresh energy, new energy. I just want to get rid of stuff that she gave me. I don't want to hold on to certain things, because it's just the way that everything took place. It was very shocking. You know, my mom had a stroke and she passed away all of a sudden. So I'm still coping with that. So I'm just hoping that maybe doing some different things to the house and to the bedroom could probably help me feel better, help me get to a better place. But look, this is the bed. It's coming along so far. I got them new mattresses. The mattresses will be delivered this weekend. So, one room down, one more room to go. We gotta do your room, right, Mama? Look at me. Don't be side-eyeing me, chick. Don't be side-eyeing me, chickadee. Don't be side-eyeing me, though. Ooh, it looks really good. So he just assembled the bed. Now he's gonna add these little pieces here, you know, so when I get the mattress and the bed spring and the box spring, everything will be ready and set to go.
Ow.
Looks really good in here. It's a nice size.
Pretty.
It's a nice size, guys. What do you think? Like,
Mommy, can I do it?
which way should I have it, guys? By the window or like opposite the closet door? Like, I think opposite the closet door will make the room look bigger. Like, right? What do you think, right? Opposite the closet door. Well, thanks, guys. Stay tuned. This is part 2 of the bedroom assembly and home decor. This is my little home decor or bedroom decor series for the girls. I'm gonna take you on the entire journey. I'm gonna take you step by step how we paint the room, the mattresses, the comforter sets, the every little ins and out. Like, have you ever heard of fairy lights? I think I may want to do fairy lights in both of their rooms. It's gonna be really, really dope, guys. So like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in. Okay, catch you in the next video.